Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Honda Civic? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2026 Honda Civic engine compartment fuse box is an essential electrical protection unit located inside the engine bay, usually near the battery or along the side of the engine area. It is designed to manage and protect the vehicle's high-power electrical circuits, ensuring stable operation of critical systems such as engine control, cooling fans, headlights, fuel injection, ABS, and charging systems. This fuse box contains a combination of fuses and relays that distribute power from the battery to different components while preventing damage from electrical overloads or short circuits. Built with a sealed and heat-resistant housing, it is engineered to withstand high engine temperatures, vibration, and moisture, making it reliable in all driving conditions. The unit also includes clearly labeled fuse positions and relays, allowing quick identification during inspection or replacement. Overall, the engine compartment fuse box plays a vital role in maintaining engine performance, vehicle safety, and uninterrupted operation of essential electronic systems in the 2026 Honda Civic. Interior fuse box. The 2026 Honda Civic interior fuse box is a compact electrical control unit located inside the cabin, typically beneath the driver's side dashboard. It is responsible for protecting and managing low-voltage electrical circuits that support comfort, convenience, and interior electronic systems. This fuse box safeguards components such as the infotainment system, dashboard display, interior lighting, power windows, door locks, accessory sockets, and various driver control modules. Designed for easy access, it is covered with a removable panel that allows quick inspection and fuse replacement without special tools. The fuse layout is clearly labeled, helping users and technicians quickly identify each fuse and its function. Built with safety in mind, it prevents electrical damage by breaking the circuit during overloads or short circuits, ensuring the smooth and reliable operation of all interior electronics in the 2026 Honda Civic. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.